Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to share Instacart lists. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an Instacart list that you want to share with some family members or some friends. How do you actually go ahead and share that Instacart list? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Instacart. Then on the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on Saved Lists. So here we have a grocery list that I've created for Sam's Club. So go ahead and click on that list. Then on the upper right-hand corner, click on the share icon next to the three dots. And this is going to allow you to share this list to messages, emails, notes, or even save it as a link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share Instacart lists. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.